Hello, welcome to Guide Glimpse. PowerPoint voice typing. On today's video, I'm going to teach you about the PowerPoint voice typing, how to type using your voice. So first thing you need to do is open up your PowerPoint. Once you open up your PowerPoint, click here. Once you click there, you need to go to home. Once you're at home, click on dictate. And there you go. So once I've talked, for example, I'm going to talk right here. It's going to type it right there. So once we on our dictate right there, it will be able to type what we are saying. So now use your typing to content voice commanding for more hands-on experience powered by Microsoft Speech Services. So there you go, guys. So that's how you type in PowerPoint. As you can see, it's now typing what I am saying. There you go, guys. So there. Hope you guys like the video. Please enjoy. And a quick tip for you guys, you can also choose a preview language of what you want before you type it right here and before you finalize it. There you go, guys. Hope you guys like the video. Hope you guys enjoyed, and hopefully this finds you good. And if you have any question or anything you want to ask, just type it in the comment section below, and we'll be happy to assist you. If you guys like the video, if you guys enjoyed, and thank you. If you like the video, please consider giving us a thumbs up and subscribing for more content like this. Thank you.